After landing in the Berlin airport, the easiest way to get to the city center is by taking the S-Bahn train located in Terminal 1. You have the option of taking the Flughafen Express first and then transferring to the S-Bahn so that you can get to the city faster, since your ticket is valid in both. Using the BVG app is easier than buying a physical ticket because you'll still need to validate it. And you can use your ticket interchangeably on the trains, the trams, and the buses. And to get on any of these, you don't actually have to show your ticket to anybody, but if an attendant asks for one, you have to present it, and if you can't, then it'll be a fine of 60 euros. This is what the app looks like, and it can be overwhelming with all the options. You'll have to choose which zone first, and if you're in town already, then you'll be using AB. But if you're coming from the airport or going to the airport, you'll need to get the ABC zone because the airport's in the C zone. Then it was hard for me to decide whether it was more cost effective to get the 24-hour ticket or the 4-pack of single tickets. The single trip ticket allows you to go in one direction for 2 hours, but the short trip ticket allows you to only go for 6 stops on the tram or 3 stops on the train. So pricing wise, it's $320 for a single ticket, but if you do the 4-pack, then it becomes $250 each because you're paying 10. And then if you do the short 4-pack, then it's $165 each and you pay $660. If you go for the 24-hour pass, then it's €9.50. The tourist cards weren't worth it for me, but if you're going to go to any of the places they give discounts, it might be for you. The buses and trams are similar to the trains in that you don't have to show your ticket unless if an attendant comes by and asks you for them. Then when you're leaving from Berlin back to the airport, your trip will look similar to this. If you have an international departure, you're probably getting off at Terminal 1, and that's where the train will take you, right back where we started.